wow, wonders, what a year it has been. Thank you so much for being there and supporting my channel. Your comments, your likes, everything you do help me making cool videos more and more. I have huge plans for this new year. More fun, more challenging, and way more great videos are coming, just to let you know. If you are in this channel for the first time and watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are already subscribed, please comment down below what was the best video for you that I had made in 2025. Let let's let's make 2026 the best year yet, and see you soon.